Hey, what's up, Brew Crew? Opie here. Welcome back to my Brew City Garden for day 5 of the straw bale conditioning process. Now today we go back and we repeat the same that we did on day 1 and on day 3. We're just going to add a half a cup, or about 100 grams of high nitrogen fertilizer, and 1 gallon or about 4 liters of water to each bale. Now I suppose you're starting to notice a pattern. But actually, this is going to be the last time that we add a half a cup of nitrogen to these bales. Now, as I walk around the garden today, I'm really starting to notice what I talked about yesterday was the tops of the bales are starting to tan up. And if you look at a bale that's unconditioned versus these bales that are now on day 5 of the conditioning process, there's actually a fairly drastic change. And you can really see that that composting action or that transformation taking place. So as usual this morning I came out and I took temperatures of several bales, and it looks like today we are running anywhere between 120 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 48 to 65 degrees Celsius. So all these bales are cooking along very nicely. All right guys, so half a cup of high nitrogen fertilizer and 1 gallon of water. Let's get to it. You know, the whole process really is pretty simple, but at the same time, I would say it's probably the most tedious part of the straw bale gardening method. So you really kind of have to dedicate a 10-day period where you can watch these bales and make sure they're watered, and you know, put down the fertilizer properly. You know, you could probably get away with if you had to go out for a day. However, I wouldn't go more than a day, just because when these bales really start getting going and these bales get very hot, they're gonna, you know, release that water. That water is gonna evaporate out of the bales pretty quickly. So I would say any more than a day, I would not skip. You know, by this point, you should probably be noticing a pretty substantial change in your bale. The smell, the feel, and even the look of your bales is really starting to change at this point. And at least here in the Brew City Garden, man, we are off to an awesome start. All right, guys, just to wrap things up, day 5 of the straw bale conditioning process consists of adding a half a cup or about 100 grams of high nitrogen fertilizer to each bale, and then watering that in with 1 gallon or 4 liters of water. Hey guys, thanks again for joining me here today at the Brew City Garden. Make sure you come back tomorrow for day 6 of the straw bale conditioning process, and let me know in the comments below how your conditioning is coming along this year. Okay guys, have an awesome day. We'll see you.